Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes of Sun Valley Public School.
Topic is English, chapter number 6, The Cap Seller and the Monkeys. Color these caps and match them with the persons who wear them. You must look at this image, match them with the person who wear it. They have given the names over here. Chef, policeman, pilot. Back to the lesson. Once upon a time, there lived a cap seller in a small village. He sold caps to earn his living. He traveled to other nearby villages to sell his caps. One day he was passing through a forest while going from one village to another. The journey was long. On the way, he got tired. He saw a big shady tree and decided to stop for some rest. He ate food and drank water from a nearby river. Then he lay down under the tree and fell asleep. One day, once upon a time, there lived a cap seller. Cap seller means who sells the caps. In a small village, he sold caps to make money. He sold caps. He traveled to other nearby village to sell his caps. He also traveled to nearby village to sell his caps and to make money for his living. One day he was passing through a forest while going from one village to another. One day he was passing through a forest to go from one village to another village. The journey was long. The journey was very long. On the way, he got tired. He felt very tired. He saw a big shady tree. There he saw a big shady tree and decided to stop for some rest. He decided to stop there and to take some rest. He ate food and drank water from the nearby river. Then he lay down under the tree and fell asleep. Capsulo woke up after some time. He was very upset when he saw that his box was open and his caps had all gone. Just then he heard whooping sound. He looked up. There were many monkeys on the tree. Each one of them had a cap on his head. The capsular woke up after some time. He was upset when he saw that his box was opened and his caps had all gone. Just then he heard whooping sound, some sound he heard. He looked up. There were many monkeys on the tree. Each one of them had a cap on his head. The cap seller was angry. He picked up a stone and threw it at the monkeys. The monkeys plucked fruits from the tree and threw them at the cap seller. What the cap seller did in anger, he picked up the stones from the ground and threw it on the monkeys. The monkeys copied. What they did, they plucked fruits from the tree and threw them on the cap seller. Now the cap seller knew how to get back his caps from the monkeys. Then the cap sellers knew now how to get back the caps from the monkey. Cap seller took off the caps from his head and threw it on the ground. The monkeys also copied him. They threw down their caps. What the cap seller did, he took his caps from his head and threw it down on the ground. The monkeys also copied him. They threw down their caps. The monkeys The cap seller collected the caps from the ground. He put them in the box and happily went on his way. So it was the pleasant of mind that helped the cap seller. The cap seller collected the caps from the ground. He put them in the box and happily went on his way. So it was the presence of mind that helped the capsuler. I hope you all understood the lesson, children. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next class.